Can you believe it's December already? Hey, what are those? I think we need to have them. Hey, what are you pressing there? What? They must want more money. Okay, that works. Happy holidays to us! So adorable, right? What's that? We want more, please. Ooh, a red one! Think we can do a little exchange? You like iPhones, right? Awesome! The tinsel's ours! Now we're really looking festive. Hey! What's in there? I don't even care. I want it! MacBook, anyone? Pleasure doing business with you. Wait! They're virtual reality glasses! I've heard cool stuff about these. Do we dare? Here goes nothing. Whoa! I can see my hands! What is this? A Christmas room makeover? Whoa! How'd I end up wearing these? These are old. Huh? Look at that! I'm rich! This is awesome! That makes one of us. I'm really happy with this. And the room isn't too bad either. Oh no! The chocolate is melting! I should wash this off. What's next? No! My ring! It was my favorite one! Please be there. Huh? How did this get here? Oh! I think I've got something! I was wondering where that went. Come on! Finally! Now where's my ring? Yuck! Please don't be a mouse! Woohoo! This gives me an idea. I think this'll work. I think this is everything I need. I'll connect the pipes together. Then give it a coat of paint. I'm really proud of this. Every room should have some plants. My own indoor hanging garden. It makes the room feel alive. And smells amazing. That looks too big. Nope. That's the one. Delivery is how much? I'll collect it myself. Better go get it. Push! Why is this so heavy? That delivery fee is starting to look like a bargain. Move! Ugh. Almost there. Ugh. It's staying here. I can't do this anymore. Totally worth it. It needs something in it. I know. It's so lovely and feels like home. This thing is soft. Don't get too comfortable. There. Whoa, this is tricky. No peeking. Where is it? No! What did I do? Oh, my mom's gonna kill me. How do you put a pot back together? Ah! We've gotta think fast here! It's Mom's favorite plant. She was so happy when she bought it. She treated it like her baby. Remember how she'd tuck it in at night? It's her pride and joy! And we killed it! The aquarium! I have an idea. These are kinda like plants, right? Let's do it! This repotting is a delicate surgery. Scalpel. Good enough. Let's see here. The rocks can line the bottom. Now for the dirt. Gotta dig in here. More dirt. Perfect! Keep it coming! Last bit! Now push it flat. Stick a cute little house on top. And add in some fun plants. Ta-da! Isn't it adorable? Mom's gonna love this. Definitely. We'd better get it back on the table. You're gonna be okay, little fella. Easy. There. Phew. That sure was a close call. Up high. Mom! What a day, what a day. Everything looks okay here. What on earth? Weird. Anyway. This room is pretty plain, but it is a blank canvas. There's so many possibilities. Nah, I want something more me. Something unique. I know exactly what to do. Phew! Why did I buy so much? I'll start with this. Sticking this strip of LED lights to the wall. There! I think that'll do it. What's next? This tape will be useful. Perfect! That was surprisingly quick. Now for the fun part. I'll put this cotton wool on the tape. It's so fluffy. I need to make sure I cover all the tape and the lights. I feel like I'm living in the clouds. That's the first part done. Now for some color. Come on! I did it! I'll do the same to the other foam tubes. Some cotton wool, and all I have to do is tape the ends together. Finished at last! Such a pretty rainbow! This'll look great here. I've added some more LED light strips between the foam. Let the light show begin! Pretty awesome! I think this requires some professional help. Hi, I need your skills. Great! Did someone call for an artistic genius? My canvas awaits. First, I have to feel the textures, sense it, be one with it. And I shall begin. This is kinda boring. Yes! The paint is talking to me! This is wonderful! Leave me to create! Hey, I just wanted to check you were okay. This is my best work yet! And I call this one Person with Hairband. Recognize her? It's you, see? Do I really look like that? Superb! Truly magnificent work! Oh, I'm so nervous. Yes! Kylie said she's coming over! I gotta make things perfect. No girl can resist fresh popcorn. Wait, this one's facing the wrong way. Now that's better. Now for me. Can't be smelling like a gym sock today. Delicious. How's the hair? Clean shaven? Good. Good. Yes. How much longer? Phew. Stay cool, man. Let's get the movie revved up. Well, that's not good. There we go. I was worried for a second there. Come back! You were just working! Come on! No! 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 This can't be happening! Just work for me, TV. I need you! Maybe if I rub its back. Maybe your wires are twisted. Just gotta get them at the right angle. How about this way? Still nothing? This has got to work! Come on! Yeah? Oh, going down! That's gonna leave a bruise. Wait! I forgot I still have that old box! Not all hope is lost after all. First, cut a hole in the side here. Then remove the lid. Put it to the side. And make a sense out of some styrofoam. It should fit right into the box. Put another one in the middle. Then stick your phone with your movie in the back. It should play perfectly now. Woohoo! Make sure to put it up high. Man! Phew! That's some good picture. Is she here? Thanks for coming over, Kylie. My favorite movie! Nice picture, too! A rose for a rose. And if you're hungry, I've got popcorn. Thanks. Just sit back and enjoy. My favorite part. Oh! Oh, I didn't disable my text! This is so embarrassing! Trouble in the bathroom, huh?